the most recent Samsung smartwatch along with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5, the Galaxy Watch 6 was also announced. Compared to the Watch 5 from the previous year, both of the new models have bigger batteries. There are two variations of the Galaxy Watch 6. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic differs from the standard Galaxy Watch 6 in that it has a stainless steel body rather than titanium or aluminum and a revolving bezel to appeal to enthusiasts of the Watch 4 Classic. Although there are few differences between the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, they both have similar battery capacity of 435 mAh for the bigger model and 300 mAh for the smaller. For both watches, Samsung promises a continuous battery life of 30 hours with the always-on display turned on and 40 hours without. Given Samsung's increasing focus on sleep coaching, those who value the always-on display will find the Watch 6's 30-hour battery life to be sufficient. The Watch 6 must also be able to support a full day of typical use in addition to a customized sleep and sleep mode. During the pre-order period for the Galaxy Watch 6, we thoroughly tested its functionality by wearing it non-stop during the day and night while monitoring notifications, tracking workouts, and monitoring activity. As a result of these tests, we are extremely happy with the Galaxy Watch 6's battery life. According to our experience, a full day of typical use often results in us having between 50 and 60% of the battery left. Samsung's 30-hour average estimate for battery life is accurate. Activating sleep mode greatly increases productivity, enabling you to get through a night with just 10 to 15% utilization. When you wake up in the morning, you should connect the Watch 6 to the charger for a quick recharge as you should have 40% or more battery left. Our experience reveals this to be pretty true as it translates to around a 30% rise in battery level. The included 10-watt charger streamlines this process by adding about 8 hours of battery life in about 8 minutes. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.